Using the Spec Index. The Spec Index is a default report we've included with DesignSpec that looks like a table-based format or similar to a spreadsheet. When you click on the DesignSpec Index, you have the option to generate the full report, or you can use the settings and filters over here on the right to create a much more specific and tailored report. Check out our preset video to see how you can save presets. As you can see, the default is to include all the specs grouped by type. So you'll see the accessories followed by banquette, etc. You can change this to be grouped by area instead. If you go under the settings, you'll see a few options. You can group by category, group by area. You can also include prices, unit sell costs, and budget totals. So let's include some of this information. Instead of grouping by spec type, we'll group by area. And let's include the linked specs. We'll leave the highlight revision on so that the changes will be showing up in red. Click apply, and you'll see the changes that are made to the index. Now this layout is a default that comes with your system, and you cannot alter this particular format. However, you can create your own table-based index from scratch using our custom report designer. Now you can see that the layout looks a little bit different. It starts with the specs that have not been associated to an area, and then it goes into the areas and the specs associated with those areas. You can also see the price has been turned on for each line item. And as we scroll down, you'll see some budget totals as well. Here's the budget total for the area in total.